It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. This is so good. That garlic butter is everything. So, this is like a little egg and cheese English muffin. Oh, it's bomb. New day. I know, it's a new day. I'm off today. I don't have any clients today. I'm sitting here trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. I have no idea. I know I need to wash my clothes. And I'm going to be, I already dropped a few videos over there on TikTok. Y'all, it's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. It's my birthday month. If I knew how to twerk, I'd be twerking on camera. But y'all, I'll be 49 this month. Damn. Anyway, I want to go ahead and start the vlog. I hope y'all having a great day. And let's see what we're gonna get into today. Let's see. Y'all, I just finished editing another video. It's supposed to go up tonight at about 7 o'clock. It's just a basic 2-strand twist video, but I'm gonna upload that video. I'm uploading it, and it is what it is. I'm trying to get me some content up and going for, you know, for July. Y'all know how that is. So I just finished it, and then I am going to I'm gonna do some skincare, take me a quick shower, just throw on some shorts and a t-shirt, and get relaxed and get my mind right. Just get my mind right because, wait, I'm sorry. Wait, which way we going? Which way we going? Which way we going? Okay, and get my mind right because I'm trying to be consistent, y'all. I watched, let me sit down and talk to y'all. So I watched Peyton's video. It was such a good video. She was talking about how she, how much she made during the month of May, during Mayhem. And although she's a big YouTuber, I feel like some of the tips that she gave can definitely help anybody. I don't care if you're a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber, but I was like, ooh, I'm going to attempt it. I'm going to try it. I know I do hair. I'm always busy, super busy. And so I don't know how that is going to work for me, but I'm just going to see. I'm going to try it. I prayed on it because I really want to push myself out there, y'all. So that's what I'm getting ready to do as far as get myself together, take a shower, and all that good stuff. Find me something to eat because I'm hungry again. But that egg English McMuffin thing, that thing was banging. And I need to wash my white clothes. So that's what I'm gonna do for today. And then tomorrow I have a client. She's getting braids, and I'll probably record that as well because she's getting like I don't know if y'all remember Kima hair. If y'all do hair, if anybody do hair or knows about hair, you know, I don't know if y'all know about the Kima deep twist hair or Brazilian twist. She's getting something like that, and I'm going to use it as like do like regular box braids with the hair. She's gotten it before, so I don't think I ever put that on my channel, but I might tomorrow, so we'll see. But anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and get myself together, clean up this room, straighten up, because all morning I have been editing you know what I'm saying. Let's see, I started at about, I'm gonna say I started at 12:30, and I was able to edit and get it done by 3 o'clock, so that's really good. It was a 47-minute video, and I got it down to like 10 minutes. What? Yep, I sure did. It was too long. I felt like it was too long, and I just wanted to just talk about the main points of the video. So anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and get myself together. I'll see y'all in a few. What's going on, y'all? I'm back. Y'all saw me fold my white clothes. I had to get that done ASAP because ain't no telling when I'll be able to do that. I was so happy to be able to get that done because, like I said, there's no telling when I would have done it. But I want to show y'all a few things that I've gotten in. I've actually was supposed to show y'all this in my last vlog, but it was a lot going on and I didn't have time to actually add it in there. So, first thing, listen. I wanted to show y'all these shoes that I got from, I think it's called Vici, I don't know, but I came across these sandals and they are so cute. Can y'all see those? Like, oh, y'all, these are so cute, and the colors are everything. The lighting, come on lighting, come on lighting. Yeah, y'all see those colors? Oh my God, they are so cute. And I'll make sure I post a video of me trying them on. But y'all, these are so cute. I absolutely love them. The size that I got is a 10, and they fit true to size. So I absolutely love these. So cute. I could see me wearing these with some jeans, some shorts, a dress. Oh my God, so cute. So y'all remember in the last video, I went to the mall and I went inside Aldo because I saw a really cute spring bag that I thought was so cute. So I'm about to show y'all. Aldo. Anyway, so this is the bag. And y'all, isn't that cute? I absolutely love it. It comes with a strap, of course, so you know it's a crossbody bag. It comes with these little two fun pieces on there. I mean, it's not fun. No, it's one piece. It comes with a one piece. You can take it off. It doesn't necessarily have to stay on the bag. And on the inside, it has so much room on the inside, y'all. So look, that's the room. Is it empty? Is it empty? But that's what it looks like on the inside. It's really roomy. It's so cute, y'all. I love it. So I was like, ooh, this is going to be my summer bag. Really nice, cute bag. I wanted to get myself something nice. And I got this bag. When I got it on sale. I think I got it for, I think the regular price for this was $75. I got it for $48. And the shoes was $75. And I got those for 30 something. So I got a really good deal on both pieces. So I wanted to show y'all that. I love it. Tell me your thoughts, what y'all think about it. At first, it's giving you more of a denim look. It's more denim-ish. I don't know if y'all can tell. But it has more of a denim. It's not, is it denim? I don't want to say it's denim. But it just has that denim look to it. Yeah, I thought this was really cute. I was like, oh, I love it. I love it, love it. So that's that. Here. And then y'all remember I was telling y'all that I wanted to do my vision board. I'm so happy, y'all. I uploaded another video today. I'm super excited. I was like, well, yeah, I'm glad. I uploaded my video today. It was actually a hair video. The next video I upload is also going to be a hair video. I said I was going to start bringing more hair content to my channel. So, yeah, I hope y'all are watching those as well. I just wanted to make sure that I, still be putting those videos out. Because see, some people be looking for certain things. I said, you know what? I'm going to start putting my hair videos out there. And then, so y'all remember when I said I wanted to start doing my vision board, I had to dig into my container because y'all remember when I left the apartment, I brought all my vision board stuff with me because I knew at some point I would want to do my vision board, and I think that day is coming. It's never too late to do a vision board. You can do a vision board anytime you want. Don't let nobody tell you you can't do no vision board in July, because I'm getting ready to do me a vision board in July. I don't care what they say. But so I'm going to, I don't have any magazines or anything like that. So I'm just going to be using what I have. Well, my sister might have some magazines. She might have some magazines. But for the most part, I'm just going to be using my vision board books that I got from TikTok. And the first one is this one. I think I might have shown y'all that before. Excuse me. And these are so cute because look. How am I going to show y'all this? Ooh. Ooh, child. I needed that. Anyway, so do y'all see like some of these stickers and stuff like that, and super cute, super nice. It has like see if I can turn this down. Okay, there we go. It has blessed and really, really nice. Like, look at that. So I'm gonna be having fun with these, and I got another one that they sent me, and this one is just as nice too, because see, like, love that. The other vision board book is, this one is a big one. So I think I might have shown y'all this before. Actually, I have showed y'all this before in my previous vlog. Look at this. So I'm just going to be going on this. If my sister have magazines, I'm going to be using that. And this is the big one. This is the big kahuna. So see that? I mean, what? Power, strength, movement. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna be working on this. Not sure what day, but that's the reason why I got the frame, because I wanted it to look like a frame type thing. And so I'm just gonna take it and put it and hang it up in the closet. So when I go in there, I can look at it and check off some of the things that I'm trying to do. Now, this vision board is it's like a short-term goal vision board. So maybe like a month and a half is my, something like that. Or what I, want to see. I don't know, y'all, but that's gonna be fun to do. I'm excited about that. I'm gonna shut this video down. I'm gonna shut it down, and I'm gonna see y'all. And again, I'm gonna see y'all again tomorrow. Y'all understand why I can't talk? I guess because I'm so tired. I was up. I couldn't sleep last night. I just really don't sleep well at night, especially with this menopause thing. It just tearing me up. But yeah, so I'll be seeing y'all tomorrow, first thing in the AM. So I'm gonna need y'all to be up when I'm up. I'm just saying.